This cup drops is $7, and I'm checking how much the price. $7.99, is almost $8. It's okay. I pay for this. Let's turn this off.